Welcome to our video, The Ultimate Guide to Pooper Scoopers. In this video, we will be discussing everything you need to know about pooper scoopers, including different types, how to choose the right one for your pet, and tips for effective use. Whether you have a dog, cat, or any other furry friend, dealing with pet waste is a part of pet ownership. Pooper scoopers are a convenient and sanitary way to clean up after your pet, making the task quick and easy. We will also be sharing some helpful tricks and hacks for keeping your yard clean and odor-free. So, if you're tired of bending down to pick up poop or struggling with messy cleanups, this video is for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more pet care tips and tricks. So let's go. The Arm & Hammer Pooper Scooper Swivel Bin and Rake Dog Poop Scooper is an essential tool for pet owners, designed to simplify the unpleasant task of cleaning up after your furry friend. With its innovative design and convenient features, this product offers efficient waste removal while minimizing odor and mess. At the heart of this scooper is its swivel bin and rake mechanism, which allows for effortless scooping and disposal of pet waste. The swivel bin conveniently rotates, making it easier to reach waste in tight corners and awkward spaces. The rake attachment ensures thorough collection, effortlessly lifting waste from grass, gravel, or concrete surfaces. Crafted from durable materials, the scooper is built to withstand regular use without bending or breaking. Its sturdy construction ensures long-lasting performance, providing reliable assistance in maintaining a clean outdoor environment for both you and your pet. One standout feature of the Arm & Hammer Pooper Scooper is its inclusion of 2 scented waste bags. These bags are infused with Arm & Hammer baking soda, renowned for its powerful odor-neutralizing properties. As you scoop waste into the bin, the scented bags help trap unpleasant odors, keeping your surroundings fresh and pleasant. The compact and lightweight design of the scooper makes it easy to handle and store when not in use. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing strain on your hands during extended scooping sessions. Whether you're cleaning up after a small backyard or a larger outdoor area, this scooper offers convenience and efficiency. Furthermore, the black color of the scooper adds a touch of sophistication, blending seamlessly with any outdoor decor. Its sleek appearance enhances the overall aesthetic appeal of your outdoor space while discreetly handling the task of waste removal. In conclusion, the Arm & Hammer Pooper Scooper Swivel Bin and Rake Dog Poop Scooper is a practical solution for pet owners seeking a hassle-free way to maintain cleanliness in their outdoor areas. With its user-friendly design, durable construction, and odor-controlling capabilities, this scooper simplifies the chore of pet waste removal, allowing you to enjoy quality time with your furry companion without worrying about mess or odor. Regularly cleaning up after your dog not only keeps your yard clean but also helps prevent the spread of harmful bacteria. Say goodbye to messy cleanups and hello to a cleaner yard with a pooper scooper. So why wait? Get your hands on a pooper scooper today and make cleaning up after your pet a breeze. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more pet care tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Links in the description box for each product mentioned. Please subscribe.